Now next is types of function. There are various types of functions. First is real valued function. As the name suggests, any function f from a to b is said to be real valued function if a comma b are set of real numbers. So any function where a, b are the set of real numbers is known as real valued function. Similarly, polynomial function, as the name suggests, any function of the form y is equal to ax plus b. This is the linear polynomial. Y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. This is quadratic. Or y is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 1. Cubic polynomial and so on. So such type of functions are known as polynomial functions. Third is rational function. Rational function is any function of the form px upon qx where qx is not equal to 0. Now the function is represented by this symbol f of x. So f bracket x, it is known as fx, that is px upon qx. So qx is not equal to 0. Such type of function is known as rational function. For example, x minus 1 over x plus 2, where x cannot be minus 2. Because if x is minus 2, denominator will be 0, it will become not defined. So denominator should not be 0. Fourth is odd functions. Odd functions means any function in which f minus x is equal to minus of fx is known as odd function. For example, if fx is 3x square plus 1, if fx is 3x cube plus 2x, and suppose we write f minus x. F minus x means replace x by minus x in all terms. So wherever x is there, we replace x by minus x. It is minus 3x cube minus 2x. If we take negative common, it is 3x cube plus 2x. This is equal to minus fx. So any function where f minus x is equal to minus fx is known as odd function. So here f is known as odd function. Or we can also understand it as any function in which there is only odd powers of x, that is known as odd function. Similarly, even function is if f minus x is equal to fx, means if after replacing x by minus x there is no change, such functions are known as even function. For example, x square plus x to the power 4. So if you write f minus x, it will be minus x square minus x to the power 4. It will be x square plus x to the power 4. It is f of x. So such functions are known as even function. If f minus x is minus of fx, means odd function. If f minus x is equal to fx, means even function. And if after changing x to minus x, there is neither this situation nor this situation, so such functions are neither odd nor even. For example, fx is equal to x square plus 1. So in this example, if you replace x by minus x, this is neither this situation nor this situation. So it is neither odd nor even. So this function is neither odd nor even function. Now there are some more functions which we will discuss later on. Before that, there are some examples. For example, fx is equal to 2x square plus 2. And the question is calculate f2. f2 means put x is equal to 2 here. Means So 4 to the 8, 8 plus 2, 10 is our answer. Similarly, if the question is calculate f of t, in the same example, f of t means replace x by t. It is 2t square plus 2. Same if we want to calculate f1 by x. f1 by x means replace x by 1 by x. So this is the situation. That means 2 upon x square plus 2. Same if we want to calculate f minus x. Replace x by minus x. That means the answer is 2x square plus 2. Same if we want to write f of 2x. Replace x by 2x. That is 8x square plus 2. So this is the meaning of function. If any function is given to you and you want to find the values, we have to replace x by that value. Similarly, if the question is f of x is equal to x square plus 3x minus 1 and question is find image of 2. This means we have to calculate f of 2. So find image of 2 means f of 2 to be calculated. Put x is equal to 2. Answer is 9. Similarly, if the question is find pre-image of minus 1, that means f of x is equal to minus 1 and we have to calculate the value of x. Means x square plus 3x minus 1 is equal to minus 1. X square plus 3x is equal to 0. X common. This is 0. So x is 0. X is minus 3. So if fx is equal to minus 1, we can easily calculate x. So find the pre-image of minus 1 means fx is minus 1 and we have to calculate the value of x.